What's going on, guys? Welcome to my garage. It's been a long, crappy winter here in Ohio. Today it's actually one of the first nice warm days that we've had. I probably won't take the car out today, probably tomorrow, so I can have something installed. I'll show you guys here in a minute. There's a couple things I wanted to show you that I've done to the car. First thing I did was I took off the side stripes, the RT Classic side stripes. I didn't like them. There's some stripes that I like. The ones that came on this car, I thought they sucked and looked stupid. I think it looks a lot better now. Looks more clean. I don't know if I'm going to put stripes back on it or not. I haven't really decided. Look inside the car, and something I did. It's kind of cheap, little modification, which is cool. I like it. Gives it more of a classic look. I installed this Hurst shifter knob. It's just the knob only. I didn't do the whole assembly. Didn't really think it was necessary. I think the stock shifter's okay. This is pretty slick. I really like it. Got that from Core Logics. Core Shifters. I think it was like 160 bucks. It was a little bit pricey, but it's definitely cool. I really like it. And then outside of the car, this is what came from UPS yesterday. Oh yeah, Borla Atak Catback. I'm going to have this installed tomorrow morning, and I'm super pumped. That'll be in this video later, and I'll show you guys like a before and after of what the stock exhaust sounded like and what the new exhaust sounds like. I'm super excited. I had this system on my 2010 Challenger RT, and I absolutely loved it. It's a little pricey. After tax and everything from Summit, it was real close to $1,500. And then talking to the guys at the install shop, it's going to be another $150 to install it. But I don't really care because I waited a long time for it. It's almost summertime here in Ohio, or actually springtime. This car sits in the garage all winter, and it's kind of depressing every day when I walk past it and don't get to drive it to work or anything. I actually drive old Black Betty over there. That's a 1996 Ford Ranger. Awesome truck. It's a perfect work truck. Paid right around 2,000 bucks for it like 3 years ago. And knock on wood, it's been running good ever since. Now let's see what we've got inside this box. Oh my God. Comes with a hat. Let's check this thing out. Looks like an old guy's hat, but it might be alright. That's kind of cool. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Let's see how shiny these are. Oh yeah. Look how sexy that's going to look. Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm super stoked about this. I'm going to take all this stuff out of the box and see if I can shove it in the trunk. Hopefully it fits. Should. I don't see any issues with it. Looks like it comes packed real nice. I was a little bit concerned, hoping that nothing was damaged when they got shipped, but looks like they did a really good job at packing all this stuff away. Sweet. I'm going to tear this stuff open and get it in the trunk of the car and see if it fits good. Well, there it is, folks, all loaded up into the trunk of the Challenger. Good thing this trunk is humongous, which is awesome. And right now you are looking at $1,500 worth of holy crap. Yeah, it's going to be awesome. Yeah. Let's fire this baby up and get ready to go to get her put on. thinks he's cool in his Dodge Ram. I'll have to show him a thing or two. Beautiful Tuesday morning. Sun's out. A little bit of frost on the road here in Ohio. Can't film very long. I don't have any of those fancy mounts that I could mount when I talk, with the camera. I gotta try to shift some gears. But other than that, this section is going to be real short until I get this thing installed. I'm going to try to get a video clip of it getting put on and maybe the first start up after they take it off the rack. But other than that, I'm super excited. See you in a little bit. Alright, well here we are. We just pulled into Midas. I'm a little bit early. Scheduled at 8 o'clock. It's like 7:45. I guess I'm just too excited. I get here a little too soon, but that's alright. Yeah, as soon as they come in to open and start getting my car in there, we'll try to get a shot of that going up on the rack. Alright folks, just getting ready to go into the bay. See, the last time we hear it sounded like this. Somebody else needs a new exhaust. It's the first time I really got to see it outside without the stripes on it. I think it looks really cool. You can't even hear that thing when he's pulling it in. It's going to be super awesome. Like I said, I'll try to get a clip after it's installed for the first startup, see what it sounds like. Can't wait. Alright, we're about to fire this baby up for the first time. Let's see. Oh yeah. Sounds awesome already. Way better. Much better. I'm super excited. Alright guys, got this baby installed. The windows are down. I don't know if you guys can hear me or not. We're going to get on it so you can hear it. Oh yeah. That sounds good. I'm super happy. Like I said, I don't know if you guys can hear me over the wind noise, but I got the windows down so you can maybe hear the exhaust a little bit better. Stop at this light. It's kind of hard for me to drive without a camera mount. So sorry if the camera's a little bit shaky. We'll rev it up a little bit, see if you guys can hear it. Oh yeah, that's how a Hemi's supposed to sound. So as soon as this light turns green, there we go. Get on it, shift some gears. Back home, install looked like it went really simple. Took them just a little bit over an hour. The guys at the shop said it was one of the easiest systems they've ever installed. I said Borla's an awesome kit, and I have to agree. I had them put the exhaust tips flush on the back. Just gives it a little bit better of a clean look. But other than that, I am super happy with the sound of this car. It's exactly how this car should sound. If you guys have any questions or comments or anything like that, let me know. Please like this video and subscribe. You guys have a great day.